here we are then in sunny Scotland. The weather's turned out for us once again on our private hire day. A few of the guys here, we've got about 10 cars out on track today. As you can see, a couple of them behind us, the LTO's here, and lurking behind there is our M3, and that is the car we've come to drive today. So I'm going to stop talking, jump in the car, head out, and see if we've built a monster or a monstrosity. Let's go. That's the first couple of test runs complete. I had to find my feet with it a little bit to start with, but actually, I think we've built a masterpiece here. It's taken a little bit of war wounds, a couple of battle scars already, but everything works well. It was more my inability to keep it on the track than anything else. If I take you out here, spin you around, I'll show you what's happened. Little cone clip there. I did manage to go off the tracks. One of these wheels is quite badly beaten up. Definitely ceramic coating is not going to help that, but the rest of the car, apart from a little bit of dust, is holding up well. There she is in all her glory, and yeah, I'm really happy with that car. I mean, it took 2 weeks to build, so it's not the longest build we've ever embarked on, but what I like about it is it's quite simple, it's honest, and it's usable. We're having fun with a car, which is something different for us. Usually we build a car, we treasure it, we take it on a trailer to all of these shows all around the world, and we literally do 0 miles in a lot of the cars. And that's what I wanted to get away from with this. And I know it's from one extreme to the other, but it's nice to kind of master both disciplines for us. We've got track cars as well. Yes, we do use those, but I've been using those less. The last 2 years, I kind of fell out of love with that a little bit. Not got bored of it, I've just kind of done it, and the excitement's not there anymore. And this is actually still giving me the excitement for cars, and that's kind of why I do this. That's why I'm in the game I'm in. I've always loved cars, I've always loved cleaning them, I've always loved playing around with them. So yeah, it's kind of business with passion, enjoying it. There's good people around. I'm loving this for the time being. So I'm going to get on because I'm enjoying driving that car a lot. Archie's really beaten this one up. We have got the proper comp car behind us as well, the twin to the LTO. The LTO's about to go out as well, so we'll show you some footage of that. Yeah, we've got a lot going on.
Well, we...
So here we are then, car is back from Driftland and it's in the wash bay, ready to see if it cleans up real easy. If I give you a spin around the camera, you can see she's a bit dusty, but we didn't pick up any damage. I might have added to this scuff, that was definitely already there. I may have added that bit in with a cone, sorry about that. But the rest of it is literally, it is thick with dust, look at that. Oh, and it is everywhere. Nothing too major here, don't worry, that is not curbing, it is just a tyre slip from the guys putting the tyres on quickly for us at the track. We got through about, I think we got through 10 or 12 pairs of tyres just in a day. So yeah, it used a bit up. Oh, we had to fit tow hooks, not the nicest looking thing in the world. I'll probably take that off in a minute. Yeah, another little clipping point cone there, but nothing major. I'm hoping, yeah, we'll polish that out. That'll be fine. But other than that, it has just picked up a load of dust from general use. Car was faultless all day, had one slight issue with a rear arm, but we welded that back up and we were good to go. On the inside, again, it's just dusty. I mean, the dust has got absolutely everywhere. That is grim. One slight issue is the roof lining. Yeah, I had to have the windows down to get the smoke out of the car at one point, and I think someone stuck that roof lining up before. So what we're going to do, we're going to grab some buckets, get the jet wash out, and then we're going to see if that cleans up as good as we hoped.